Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
People who have gone to Netherlands, they know that everybody there they cycle, and it is very expensive to keep a car. Parking costs are very high. If you are if you are in Amsterdam, it's almost impossible to get a parking. So by design, they have encouraged people not to take up cars, and everybody is cycling. Even the president, he goes to office in cycle. But if you cycle in Delhi in the morning, it is very dangerous. So I started in 2014. So you are very lucky if you survive by doing a 1 hour cycle on road, but still it is fun. And I came to Goa in 2019. So it's a beautiful place for cycling. In the morning, there is no traffic, and there are a few cyclists we see all over the place. So we hope that it should not remain only a fun or exercise. It should become a mode of transport for middle class, upper middle class, for everybody.
Sponsoring is CCP organized today being World Bicycle Day. We want to basically encourage everybody out there to basically try alternative modes of transport. Now, countries around the world, a lot of them are adopting bicycles, especially for short routes to go to work and stuff like that. So we're hoping like that will create like say around like a 5 kilometer cycling track that we have thing. Now a lot of people have approached us also to create bicycling tracks. Now it's become a very popular for health reasons and also as a mode of transport. So we're hoping basically to encourage biking around the city. A lot of people have approached us to create bike routes also. So we'll sit with traffic and see if we can identify any of these areas to basically encourage bicycling around the city.